Hey, good morning, dear children. Today we discuss the topic is diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Okay, diminishing marginal rate of substitutions. So, it explains the concept already. I explained the indifference map and indifference curve already. I explained. Okay, so now diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Okay. First, so the concept of diminishing marginal rate of substitutions is y decreases as x increases. Okay, y decreases ஆகும்போது x increases ஆகும். The change is y is negative. Changes y is negative. That is b minus alpha y. So the equation is m more as x y is equal to the diminishing marginal y curve by diminishing marginal x curve. Okay, that's all. So repeat it, ma. First, x y decreases, x increases. Okay, so the change is y is negative. That's all. So that is why the equation is m or yes xy is equal to minus diminishing y by diminishing x. Okay, however, as which the price elasticity of demand is there, convention is to ignore minus sign is m or x xy, m or s xy, m or s xy is equal to diminishing y by diminishing x. That's all. So the marginal diminishing rate of substituents are various diagrams. First diagram. Okay. It's a y curve. It's a x axis. Then commodity x. Commodity x. Commodity x. Then commodity y. Okay. So the AB curve is AB. AB curve. So the AB curves landing at mass, so it's a AB curve. Okay. So it's a A, it's a B. Okay. A and B. A and B. That's all. So next, the A, the B. So AB curve. Okay. Next diagram is commodity X. Commodity X and Y axis. So it's a X axis, it's a Y axis. Commodity X, then commodity Y. So the curve is standing straight line. Okay, straight line like so straight line curve. It's a curve, A and B. Okay, straight line are there. Then third diagram. Say x-axis, then y-axis. Commodity X, then commodity Y. So the format is landing. Okay. So அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு என்ன வரும் இது? A and B. So it's a A and it's a okay. So அப்போ three different curves. First one the negative slope, then the second one indifference curve, so complex of origin, then third one is indifference curves without the horizontal vertical. So அதே மாதிரி இந்த மாதிரி நமக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஒரு diagrams நம்ம வரைய வேண்டியது இருக்குமா. First next diagrams பார்க்கலாம். Next the properties of the indifference curve. First properties of the indifferent curves. Okay, so the indifference curves are subjective and unique to each person. So never plus the properties of indifference curves. First, indifference curve must have negative slope. Okay, indifference curve must have negative slope. Negative slope. Okay. So an indifference curve has a negative slope, which denotes that if the quantity of commodity, so y decreases, the quantity of the order x must increases. So commodity y decreases, commodity y decreases, the quantity of x must increases. So must increases. Okay. So if the consumer is to stay on the same level of satisfaction, the consumer satisfaction level is same. Consumer satisfaction level is same. Okay. Consumer satisfaction level is same. So the necessary consequence of the non-statistic constitute. Okay. Next one, the curves that do not curve negative slopes, such as those shown. Previous இதுல பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, நம்ம அந்த curve எப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னு பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா. So எப்படி இருந்துச்சு, நமக்கு Aயும் Bயும் நமக்கு straight line இருந்துச்சு. ஓகேயா. So the curves in all three cases combination B is clearly profitable to combination A. So it's a A, it's a B. So combination of A and B. Okay, that's all. Then second one is indifference curves or convex to the origin. Indifference curves or convex to the origin. Okay. So the indifferences curve are not only negative slope there, but are also convex to the origin. So it's a negative slope, but are also the convex or origin. convex to the origin. So the convexity of the indifference curves implies that not only the two commodities are a substitute for each other, but also the fact that the marginal rate of substitution. Okay, not only the two commodities, two commodities or substitutes other, but also the fact of the marginal rate. Fact the marginal rate. Okay, marginal rate of substitution M or S. That's all. So the between the goods decreases of the consumers move along the indifference curve. That's all. So the lower substitutions are next. So the consumers move. Consumer moves along in difference curve. In difference curve. Okay, difference curve. That's all. Then next one is third one. Third one is a indifference curve cannot intersect. Third one, indifference curve cannot intersect. Cannot intersect. So first, you see the diagram. It's a x-axis, it's a y-axis. Okay, it's a commodity x. Commodity x. Then it's a commodity y. Okay, commodity. Next, the curve AB curve. So the AB curve, first curve is x-axis y-axis, sorry, y-axis x-axis curve, first curve. Then the second curve is second curve. Okay, the second curve. So it's a C. This point is a C. Okay, it's a A. Next, this point is B. Okay, it's a IC2, it's IC1. That's all. Okay, Amma? So it's a indifference curve. And the curve difference or indifference curve cannot interact. That's it. IC1. So IC1 is lower indifference curve denoting the lesser satisfaction. The lesser satisfaction. Lesser satisfaction. Then combination C and B follow IC1. Combination C and B fall IC1. Okay. Next IC2 is upper differences. It's a lesser than upper indifferences curve. Indifferences curve. Upper indifferences curve. It's denoting the higher satisfaction. Higher satisfaction. Okay. So C and A combinations are on C and D. Okay, C and B is A. It's the IC2. IC. At the point of intersection C is equal to P. At the point of C is equal to P on IC1 on IC1. At the point of C is equal to A is a IC2. Then so A is equal to B, whereas A is an upper. A is equal to B. A is an upper IC and B is an lower IC. Lower IC is not. This is not possible, Anna. Okay, this is not possible. Yeah, that's all. Then next one is indifference curves do not touch the horizontal on vertical axis. So இதையுமே நமக்கு டச் பண்ணாம இருக்கும். Okay, so indifference curves do not touch the horizontal or vertical axis. So first x-axis, y-axis. Okay. The curve is okay. இந்த மாதிரி நமக்கு curve வரும். So it's a A, then it's B. இதான் நமக்கு IC. So it's a commodity X, commodity Y. The IC மாறுது. That's all. So if they touch the axis, it violates the basis assumptions that the consumer purchase two commodities in a combination. So purchase two commodities. The purchasing only one commodity means only one commodity now. Only one commodity means monomania. That is a consumers. It's a consumer. Okay. Consumers. So lack of interest in the other commodity or business, insistence on purchasing only one commodity. So insisting only one commodity. Okay. Then next one is price line or budget line. So price line, budget line. Okay. So next topic, price line or budget line. So four finish panikkama. Next topic. Okay. Price line or budget line. Price line, budget line. So demand for a good depends upon preference for the good and purchasing power. So first one is preference for that good. Okay. Then second one is purchasing power. Okay. So the preference pattern is representing by set of indifferences curve. It's set of indifferences curve. Indifferences curve. The purchasing power depends on his money. Purchasing power depends on his money income and price of the goods That's all. So purchasing power denotes money income and purchasing of goods. So money income and price level of represent the budget line. So இது ரெண்டு நமக்கு எது represent பண்ணுது? Budget line. Okay. budget line. Then the budget line is downward sloping straight line connecting x-axis and y-axis. So it's a straight line. Straight line na adukku connect agum. So x-axis ku y-axis direct connect பண்றது. ஓகேமா? So இது வந்து என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? இதோட diagrams பார்க்கலாம். Diagram. So it's a x-axis, then y-axis. So commodity x, commodity x, commodity y, commodity y. Okay. So நம்ம x-axis ல இருந்து நேரா y-axis க்கு வரோம். So x-axis ல இருந்து y-axis க்கு வரும்போது எப்படி வரும்? இங்க வந்து டைரக்டா நமக்கு பாயிண்ட் இங்க இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. ஓகேயா? So the point இங்க இருந்து நமக்கு என்ன ஆகும்? அப்படியே டைரக்டா இங்க வந்து நமக்கு B, A, B. So இதுதான் நமக்கு என்ன லைன் அப்படின்னா பட்ஜெட் லைன். ஓகேயாமா? It's a budget line. So the BA is budget line with a given income. Okay, the price commodity Y and OB is a price commodity. X, the budget line, is the line joining various combinations of two goods. The consumer can buy at a given price and income. Okay, next one is a consumer equilibrium. So consumer equilibrium. Next topic is consumer equilibrium. So the consumers reaches equilibrium at the point of where the budget line is tangent on the difference curve. Tangent on different curve. Okay, tangent on the indifference curve. Tangent on the indifference curve. Okay, so it's a first draw the line mark. X-axis, then y-axis. So first உள்ளவங்க copy prefer பண்றாங்கன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க. It's a copy, it's a P. So the diagram is first N. Okay, so N, then M. So three preference. Okay, the axis is look down அப்படியே இறங்கும். Okay, so down நமக்கு இறங்கும். So the curve is different curves are. First curve is நல்ல உங்களுக்கு உள்ள தள்ளி வரும். First curve. The first curve. Okay. Then second curve is second curve அதே மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் உள்ள. Second curve. Okay. Then third curve is கொஞ்சம் மேலாக்க வந்துருமா. So அந்த லைனுக்கு மேலேயே வந்துரும். The third curve. Okay. Then fourth curve வந்து இது நம்மளுக்கு fourth curve. So it's a indifference curve. So the indifference curve is IC1, IC2, IC3 and IC4. So the budget line AB is tangent. So AB is a tangent. Okay. Previous class already I explained indifferent curve. Today this chapter is over. So you prepare briefly and explain the diagram. Okay, நான் explain பண்ணனும் diagram எப்படி பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்றத கண்டிப்பா கீழ explain பண்ணனும். ஓகேயா? Okay. So budget line AB வந்து நமக்கு அப்ப என்னதான் மாறிடும்? Tangent இருக்கும். Yeah, so IC3, IC4, IC4, then IC2, then IC1. So these is the indifference curves. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.